I wanted to learn Microsoft Azure. And for that, I have to create a Microsoft Azure account first, then use it. And of course, at first, I would not be using any premium tools as I'm starting. And for that reason, we will go with the $200 free credit from Microsoft. But the thing is, that is expired to me. I didn't even touch it because I was busy with the last couple of months and my free trial period has ended and now I cannot use it. But still, even with that, how can I still use the free services and learn Microsoft Azure Cloud? So if you are someone like that who wants to learn Microsoft Azure for free and even after expiring your free $200 credit, this video is for you. So once you log in with your Microsoft account into Azure, you will have something like this. And how to register and how to get a Microsoft Azure account, that will be there in another video that I'm going to make. Now my credit has been expired. So to confirm that, first click on start. Since we are checking if we can still get that Azure for free, as you can see, you have to click on try Azure for free or pay as you go. So now I clicked on that. So it's already showing me, looks like you already have an Azure account and your one-time limit has been expired. So now what I can do is sign up for pay as you go subscription or use an existing subscription that you have. To be honest, I don't have any subscription. So I'll quickly show you. So go to subscriptions, click on it. And if you can see, there is no subscription for me in my account as of now. I cannot use anything. So the only option I have right now is sign up for pay as you go. But other than this, if you are a student and if your college is providing you a school or a college mail ID, you can click on this Azure for Students and click on start for free. Then you have to fill these details and all these details can be filled, but except you need to have a school mail address, something your school or your college or university has to provide it to you. So if you have that, then that is much easier. We will also see for this in another video. I'll definitely do that. But for now, let's look at what if we don't have any of those and we have to go with the pay as you go model only. And even with the pay as you go model, we are going to use only free services. So as you can see, welcome back. You previously signed up for Azure free account and I still have free services available to use. Continue using the server by uploading and pay only what you use above the free amounts. So we will be having the free services that was designed for us for 12 months. So as you can see here, if you see plus 12 months of popular free services, right? From that $200 credit. So this $200 credit is for the people who are looking to use all the services within that $200 credit amount with only 1 month of time period. But the rest of the 11 months, you will be having free services that Azure gives you, the popular free services only, not exceeding that. That is the reason why I still have that. So I think it's been around 3 to 4 months since I took the account. So I still have time, even considering it's 6 months or any more than that. Now we have to click on upgrade your account. So it's checking on my account. And I feel like since I've already gave it my, no, so it's still asking me. So I have to give my PAN, I have to give my GST ID number. It's not necessary. So Azure subscription. So which one should I take? So first you have to actually validate your addresses, where you are from and how you are going to use these services. So let me give my name and let me just validate it. And now that is validated, my address has been validated. Now you have to enter your details. Let me finish this quickly and come back to you. So I have entered my PAN details and I have to choose my subscription. As you can see, there are a lot of plans available for us. The first one is the developer and oh my god, look at that price. And the second one, oh look at the professional price. This is my first time actually doing this. So for individuals or teams that need billing and subscription management support and do not require technical support. So this is for the individual plans. So the rest all are for the developers. It's for the companies. It's for the organizations and stuff. So I don't think we need all of those. Upgrade to pay as you go. Click on that. And it will ask you to verify a payment method. I am thinking that if I already have given my card details, I think it will take from that only. But if it takes other than my card details and ask me to fill it again, I don't think it will happen. So as you can see, successfully upgraded. I feel like since I already put my card details, it has been automatically upgraded. And do not worry how to put your card details. it can be done when you actually create your Azure account. I'll also explain how you can put card details and create an Azure account, so do not worry. So now that is done, first and foremost thing you have to do is cost management and billing. You have to set your cost to make sure that your cost does not exceed whatever you have. As you can see here, your free credits expired, paid service will be charged to your payment method. As you can see, there are no free credits for us. So we have to make sure that we are not using any of the premium services at all. So what we have to do for that? There are a lot of other things we have to do, but for now, let's look at the cost management. Let's go to cost management. Your unsaved edits will be discarded. Okay, I'm not sure what even I did. So we are coming to cost management. So first what you have to do is create a resource, and for our easiest access they already provided some of the pop-ups over here. As you can see, configure billing details, monitor with budgets, give access to your account. So let's go to create a budget. Let's add a budget, and now we are coming here. We have to add a unique name over here. We have to create a budget. Let's give a unique name which should be, so I'm going with the name free tire only. Okay, since it doesn't take that, let's go with alphanumeric. So I'm giving a name as $1 free tire. Does it accept? Okay, our limit should not exceed over $1. If you want, you can keep even less than that. So as I have kept $1 free tire, and the reset period should always be monthly. Make sure you keep it monthly, unless you are a big organization, that is entirely different. But when we are going with an individual plans, it's always best to set for monthly, because Azure always does that. So, and the creation expiration date, please keep it default. You can change it, but I suggest you not to do that. And let's go with amount, which is 100 rupees. Since I'm in India, so it will be considered as rupees. So I'm keeping it as 100 rupees. Once you have set this, click on next. And as you can see, you have to create alerts now. So what is the condition of these alerts? So if it exceeds the amount that you have suggested, that should be there. Let's just say actual cost, and you can keep whatever the actual cost is. When it comes to actual cost, it's better to keep the percentage of the amount that you already set. So I'm going to keep three costs, which is 10% and 50%, and the other one would be the 100% one. So I'm keeping all of the actual cost as 100%. And yeah, that's all. Only these should be required, because it's 10%, 50%, and 100% of your budget. If it exceeds that, then that should be there. And here at the recipient's email, it's better for you to keep your own Gmail account, or the account that you'll mostly use. That should be kept here. Like, you always check in, you always check all the mails that you got. That should be kept here. Like, if you can see, this is my Hotmail account. I never use it mostly. So it's better not to keep that. I'd rather keep my personal account here. Unique email address is required. Okay, for some reason it's not taking my account, so I will keep my Hotmail account only. So for some reason it's not taking my Gmail account, so I have kept as my personal account only. Let me try again. Okay, it's still not taking my personal account. So I have kept my default Hotmail account, but I suggest you to keep your account which you will mostly use, like your email account which you mostly use. Okay, now that is done. The language you can keep whatever. I would rather keep it as English. Let's keep the United Kingdom for now. And now, yes, that's all you have to do, and nothing more. Just click on create. So it will validate your alerts and the cost budget that you have set, and that's all you have to do. So this is how you have to create your alert, so that when you use Azure services, it will not exceed the amount that you already set, and you can keep it as I thought it is calculated in dollars. So the budget, for your quick understanding, I have created the budget. Now the budget is showing me as $100. I thought it would be in rupees, but it is not. That means I have to again go and change it. So let me click on this, and let me click on edit budget and come down. Let me just take away this budget, click on next, and yes, all the same, keep all this same, and the mail also we can change it later on. Click on save. So now it has been updated. Let's go and check again in the budget section. As you can see, now it's showing as $1. So that means sometimes it shows in rupees, sometimes it shows in the actual dollar budget. So you have to be aware, you have to be always know what has been said. Okay, there are a lot of other things you have to do, like you can create some resources. and there are a lot of other things that you can do to keep restrictions on your Azure accounts, which will not let you build your Azure account. So for that, we'll take a look at in the next video, because this video will be even longer than it already is. So look out for that video, and I'll put all the necessary videos in the description also, and also in the cards over here, so that you can actually understand how to do all these things. Right now, my goal is to explain all these Azure services to each and every one of you and hit that 1,000 subscribers too, along with watch time, of course, because if I can get monetization from whatever videos I'm making, I can put that amount to these videos only and make much better content. That's what I'm thinking. So please subscribe and share this content with your friends and anyone who needs it. And I'll see you guys next time. Until then,